यहाँ किसी हमले के आसार नहीं थे।
There were no signs of an attack here. There were no signs of an attack here.
बाइकर ने रफ्तार कम की और जाए वक़वा की तरफ पीछे हट गया।
The biker slowed down and backtracked to the scene. The biker slowed down and backtracked to the scene.
घर के करीब एक गड्ढा बन गया था।
A puddle had formed near the house. A puddle had formed near the house.
ट्रक एक जोरदार आवाज से रुक गया।
The truck came to a screeching stop. The truck came to a screeching stop.
मुझे स्कूल की सरगर्मियों में हिस्सा लेना पसंद है।
I enjoy participating in school activities. I enjoy participating in school activities.
वो रात गए तक काम करती रही।
She was working late into the night. She was working late into the night.
वो काम पर वापस आ गया।
He got back to work. He got back to work.
बराह करम लाइट्स बंद कर दें।
Please turn off the lights. Please turn off the lights.
मैं जानता था कि वो कुछ करने वाला है।
I knew he was up to something. I knew he was up to something.
इसे लगा जैसे वो नाकाम हो गया हो।
He felt as if he was a failure. He felt as if he was a failure.